In this video, I am going to be showing you how to fix an Instagram account that was temporarily locked. If you've received a message saying that your account has been temporarily locked, it's likely due to multiple failed login attempts or an attempt by a third party to access your account. To regain access to your account, you have two options. Firstly, you can wait for a few hours and then try to log in again, or secondly, you can follow these steps to recover your account immediately. First, open up a web browser and type in Instagram account locked and click on I can't log in. Now this will lead you to a page that will give you several recovery options such as resetting your password or reporting a hacked account. Now you press this option and then read the text below and then click on the link that takes you to this page. So if you suspect that your account has been hacked, you select My account was hacked. Instagram support will guide you through a series of steps, such as verifying your identity with photo ID or other verification methods to recover your account. If you're the one who temporarily locked your account, select the option Forgot Password and follow the steps to reset your password. If you don't have access to the phone number or email associated with your account, select the login code was sent to a mobile number or email address that I don't have access to, and then keep following the steps until you reach a point where you can submit your photo ID or other verification to prove that you own the account. If you encounter any problems or if none of the recovery options work, then you can click on something else and provide Instagram support with more information about your situation. And then you follow these steps to recover your temporarily locked Instagram account. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.